Natin. Let's go! Alright guys, so way in, may bago tayong room sa Luxor. Puntahan natin, ito daw yung triangle. So let's check yung bago nating room. Let's go! Woohoo! Really?
It's like, if the timing's not right, sometimes hard. Fight tomorrow night, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
They have a lot of fighters fighting. Senator Manny Pitbull and Mark Magsayo and Yulmer Marshall.
Okay.
Long walk once I returned.
It's a little bit.
Okay. That's the one, right?
Tram, yeah. It goes from Excalibur all the way over to Mandalay Bay.
Yeah. But the Luxor is this triangle right here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pyramid. Yeah, sixth time here.
Yeah. Doing your job, I'm sure.
Yeah, for boxing.
Oh yeah. And the MGM's really known for.
Yeah, for especially, you know, Filipinos, you know, we all know Manny Pacquiao, and we knew MGM because of Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, I know
Yeah.
Manny Pacquiao, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I hadn't heard his name in a while.
Yeah. In 4 years, he's been inactive, so now he's 46 and he's coming back out of retirement.
Okay.
And this is my first time in this area. Woo!
It's up to you.
Nice.
We can drop you off here, or because that's for self-parking and free traffic. It's up to you.
Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance?
Right there.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, dito tayo sa bago nating kwarto, Luxor. Actually, first time ko dito sa hotel na to, yung triangle, no? So, Egyptian yung theme niya. Let's go. MGM din pala to, Luxor and MGM. First time here at the Luxor Hotel. So, ito pala dito. So, let's go. Punta na tayo sa kwarto natin. So, crowded din pala dito talaga. So, ito siya guys. Ganda, no? Natin. Ba, ganda din, ano? So, dito pa room natin. Let's go! Woohoo! Yan, no? Bago naman po natin. After the weigh-in and before the fight. Ay, teka lang. Tingnan mo natin yung CR. Okay. Wow. Meron din jacuzzi. Okay, okay. And then, tingnan natin ang view dito. Luxor. Ito po yung pyramid na. Uy, okay. Yun lang. Yun lang, may tulay na nakaharang. So, anyways. Ayan o. Hey! Woo! Grabe. So, yan. Yan po mga idol. Kwarto ngayon pong after po ng weekend double bed pa. So, Boys TV, peace.